Right, what's up guys? I hope you're okay. So I was saying it's 3 days now I've been sick. I was supposed to have been at work, but oh guys, my chest wasn't good for the past 3 days ever since I came from Africa. I wasn't okay. I went to work 2 days, but I saw that I had not gotten better. So I was just lying in bed here, checking my videos. My chest is very heavy. I think it's because I'm not doing those usual exercises that I usually do. Maybe that's why I'm sick. My voice is not even there. So I think I'll be better. Maybe let's check how I feel tomorrow. I'm hoping that I'll be much better by tomorrow. So I'm sure you've seen another video that I did when I bought my new phone here. So I'm sure you've seen that I bought my new phone, Samsung S24 Ultra from South Africa. Is an upgrade with a tablet. So this is very important for my new job that I'm doing these days. So I ordered a cover for this phone. I ordered covers today and Amazon never disappoint. I just received covers for that phone. So let me show you the covers and if those covers are going to fit on my new phone. Let me see if I can be able to keep this camera here without falling while I open this package here from Amazon. So this is the cover for my new Samsung tablet, and that's the plastic bit, and let me put it away there. So I now have, I've got you know guys, I love phones, but not only love phones, I use these phones to edit my videos, and I realize one phone is not enough. So let me zoom in there and put this gimbal here. I hope it's showing well. Oh, should I do the usual thing? Just bear with me. Let me do this. Good. So that thing is going to follow me now. So this is my new phone that I hope you can see. My new Samsung S24 Ultra, the phone that I so love. I will do another video just to compare really these two phones, the iPhone, the one that I'm using now to record this video, and this S24. I also have another phone here. This is an S22 Ultra. These Samsungs, I got them from South Africa. Is an upgrade. I'm still paying for my contract in South Africa, and I'm a cash payer, so I've been paying very well, and I'm able to upgrade and get phone deals from South Africa. So let me just open first here the cover protector for my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. So let me remove the package, and then what is here? Is it a sticker, or and there's this thing here inside? This is the beautiful tablet cover that I'm going to take the phone, the tablet, and straight away put it inside. I hope it's the right size. All this thing that you buy on internet. Wow, it's perfect fit, match, perfect fit. So my tablet is now in, now does this hold? My tablet is now in a case, as you can see there. Forgive me guys, my throat and my voice. And there's a back part where you put your pen there. How does this even hold? How does it sit? Okay. Alright, it is. So my tablet can now sit. Let me just stop this. Face follow me. Face detect me, okay? Then I'll show you nicely how my tablet is sitting. What's happening with this gimbal, really? Okay, let me turn it, come show here the people. Right, so that's my tablet there. Then put it nice on the table, and then I can be able to work on everything that I want to do. Put my password. Okay, and the tablet is open. So I hope I will be. Why is it falling? So you can also take this pen and put it here, I guess. Can this pen fit here? I think this is, yeah, that's another pocket for this pen as well. Wow, it's a very nice tablet cover. I think I love it. I love it. I love it. Look how it looks now. My Samsung tablet. Welcome. You know, this thing of online shopping, you can make nice choices there without anyone rushing you, but it looks like it's not really sticking. I don't know what's happening at the back there. But anyway, it's not standing. It's falling over. But yeah, that's my new tablet cover. So hopefully soon this tablet I'll give it to one of my big boys and he can use for school. So now let me show you again the other item I have here, which is a cover for my S24 Ultra. So these are two covers that are exactly the same. I don't know why. Oh, there are three covers really. So this one looks different, I know, yeah, but there are two different covers. So I have three covers. I don't know why, but let me open this one and see what is inside. So this is the cover for the S24 Ultra. Can you see my face, you camera? Good. So I got two covers for one phone. So let's try this one. Yeah, I like this one. See, it's nice and soft. And then let me put the phone and see. Wow, nice. Look there. Look how nice it's sitting, fitting there. It's also protecting the cameras at the back there. So this is my usual cover for my Samsung phones. So my phone is now protected a little bit. There is supposed to be a screen protector, which I hope I will buy soon. Wow, so that's my phone now, guys, in there. Nice cover there. Nice cover. So I can drop it. I like the clear ones. I like to see my phone looking natural. On the side here, it looks like a rubber. And this is the new case. It's fashion phone shell, mobile phone shell, not the best products, only for better products. Okay, made in China. Samsung S24 Ultra. China does not play games, guys. So let me open the other phone case and see if it is different. This one is having a hard back. I don't like that one with a hard back, but though it is, I don't know what is this. The back looks like a screen. So this one is hard. The back side is hard. It's hard. The back is hard. So let me take off this one and put the other one. The other one was £3 something and the other one was £7. So I don't know which one was which. There you go. Very nice also. With nice corners. I like all of them. Probably I like this one much better, and it's even sticking on the side there. Wow. So I got 3 covers of the same type. I don't know how I end up with these 3 covers, but there you go. 3 covers, and that's my S24 is now protected. I just wonder if that cover cannot fit also on my Samsung S20. Let me see if it can fit in this other old phone. Wow, it can fit, but not so perfect fit. The S24, I mean S22 looks bigger. Not really perfect fitting, so I'll put it back. And then I'll just use these new ones. Wow. So guys, that's my new covers for my new phone that I just bought on Amazon today, and they delivered today as well, right on time. So those are my new phones, guys, and I hope you like my phone. I will come with a review of this iPhone and the other phone. And look at my phone there, it's nicely dressed. I love things, guys. I love things. Before I turn 100, I should enjoy myself and things. So on that note, guys, goodbye. See you later on my other video.